What is going on, YouTube? BCD back with another quick video, and today we got an actual breakdown. That's crazy. PlayStation don't do nothing like this. You know why they did that? I ain't gonna give it all the credit to Microsoft. I feel like people were just, on their necks about it, but because Microsoft been so open about their system, the PlayStation had to come on and do something special for us. Today we got an actual full breakdown of this system, and I ain't gonna hold you, that mug look nice. It's a little fat. She thick with 2 C's, but overall, I think it got a lot of, smart ideas behind it. How the panels come off, customization, so I don't have to buy, custom ones for Spider-Man. So I can literally take both sides off and actually change the aesthetic of my console. They confirmed that. Obviously, it's been leaks everywhere, but just to confirm that you can actually take those off and possibly replace those with aftermarket stuff, that's pretty cool. Also, they actually show where you can take off the in the expandable storage. They didn't mention anything about external storage, which I'm a little shaky on, but they did at least mention that you can have it. It's easy sliding and things like that. And then they talked about the the bane of all of our existence for these PS4 Pros right now. Dust. Low-key dust, bro. It's they have two holes where you can actually vacuum it out. That's crazy. That's actually intuitive. That's smart to do because we have such a huge problem with the PS4 Pro and how it dust just constantly gets into the traps, and it's difficult to clean and clean often. So, well, it's not difficult. It's just annoying. So vacuuming and having the ability to just have this vacuum seal it out that's pretty cool. Hopefully it doesn't mess up anything, but yeah, it seems that they actually are thinking about the customer when it comes to keeping your systems clean as well. She thick though. I ain't gonna hold you. She I almost fell in love. I was like, she thick. Series X, she thick too, but she ain't curvy. You know what I'm saying? She thick with 2 C's. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm done with the jokes, but yeah. Overall, I was really looking. I'm happy they made this move. This move tells me that they are seeing what the competition is doing, and they have to respond accordingly. Like, I was tired of them just sitting in the back, just chilling. They just. I'm like, bro, get off the bench and do something. Y'all ain't doing nothing. I want to see the console. We like 34 days out now. 34 days out, and you finally giving us a breakdown of that thing. But I'm happy. I mean, I know a lot of breakdown channels probably upset about that because they did the cleanest breakdown I've seen in a minute. But yeah, it still look good. She thick. She fat though. We already knew she was gonna be fat. We already knew she was the thick one. But now that she out there, that's Bessie. That's Betsy for me, baby. I'm gonna be at the Best Buy, just sitting like this, waiting for Bessie. Come through, Bessie. Now I do have I pre-ordered both the Series X and the PS5, but yeah, I'm just excited to actually have some news. I'm not more excited for the PlayStation. I'm just excited to have news, actually show the technicals. I'm definitely waiting on that Digital Foundry to go through and break down all the components, because they let us see a lot of stuff they normally don't, people. They let us see a lot of stuff. So, yeah. It's looking good. It's looking like a good day. I got some other stuff in store for y'all, so subscribe to the channel. We got some other stuff coming, but today, with the breakdown, stuff I actually wanted to see, how that thing worked, it's there, people. It is there. I'm not a technical channel, so I'm not finna break it down for y'all. I'm waiting on Digital Foundry just like the rest of you. That's it. Talk to y'all in the next one. Let me know what y'all think about the console down in the comment section below. I know that mug is a hot topic for a lot. That mug doing numbers right now. numbers, like real numbers.
41, 42, 43, 44.